guys, I want to show you how you can flash your brake system with this tool today. Okay, I bought a pneumatic charging pump. I open it and see what is inside. This is I bought and I want to test it today. How is it working? Of course you need air going inside here. Yeah, this is with the housing pipe going inside here, and this is long enough to put it everywhere you need. So to drain, of course you can use that one and drain the oil from. I want to test it and see what is going on. For bleeding your brake is you need about 1 liter of .4 fluid, brake fluid. You need of course air and connect air here and you can open and close. Okay, let's start and see what's happening. Pump put it here and start to open. Find the Killeen bottle. In my case it's Coke. So put the cap inside and probably remove the etiquette. Make a hole here. Okay, take that one and go to your car and hold it here, put it here. Let this stand like that. Don't touch it. In this case, you can see how much brake fluid going down. So the bottle was until here, now it's going down. When you are bleeding finished, so make sure that you have enough brake fluid inside and lock the cap. So we are finishing now with all 4 wheels, and we start from right rear and right left and right front and left front finally. After that, you should go and check your brake pedal. As you see, make sure that your brake pedal is good and is not going down too much. If it's going down too much, so it's possible that is a bubble air inside your system. You should try and do it one more time, bleeding all the wheels. So as you see, it's good for this car, and I'm going to put back all caps. Remember, all caps should be at the place, and check everything. Check for the leakage. If it's some leakage, so you should try again. Okay, as you see, we are finished bleeding, and as you see, is so much brake fluid we suck out of all 4 wheels. You can actually also open that one here. And you can fill it on your bottle, for example. You can fill it this bottle here. So as you see, this is very good tool to have when you are alone and you wanna bleed your brake alone. So you need, of course, oil going inside and suck the brake fluid from that one, from every calibers. So for me it was very good, it worked perfect, and I recommend you can buy it. It is about $10, and you can buy it from AliExpress or eBay. I will put the link down and you can go there and buy it. If you see brake fluid around, wash it with little bit water, because water is the best and washing away all brake fluid.